What if I told you that there is an AI infrastructure company that just signed a $7.5 billion lease deal and is building massive AI companies, and Wall Street analysts are starting to aggressively raise their price targets? And today we're going to be talking about Applied Digital, ticker symbol APLD, and why the stock is suddenly getting a ton of attention in the AI sector right now. If you do enjoy breakdowns on stocks like APLD, anything in the artificial intelligence, infrastructure, data centers, defense, you name it, let me know what it is you want me to cover in the comments below. And please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as I do like giving the content that you guys like to see. Now, today we're going to be talking about Applied Digital. And honestly, this company has been it's been making some major moves lately in the AI infrastructure and data center space. And if you've been paying attention to AI and the AI boom, you already know one thing. AI companies, they need massive computing power. Sorry about that, guys. And companies like Applied Digital are trying to become the backbone infrastructure behind that demand. And one of the biggest headlines that came out recently on May 20th was the fact that APLD signed a 15-year take or pay lease, and the leases represent approximately $7.5 billion in total contracted value over an estimated 15-year period. And this is important because it involves 300 megawatts of its Polaris Forge 3 campus with an investment grade hyperscaler. And that's absolutely huge, guys. And when you hear the term hyperscaler, I want you guys to think of giant cloud and AI companies that need enormous computing infrastructure. And the reason investors get excited is because this gives stronger long-term visibility into revenue and future demand. Now, this is where the bigger picture comes in for Applied Digital. Everybody's talking about NVIDIA and everybody talks about AI software, but somebody actually has to provide the infrastructure and power behind all of these AI workloads. That's where companies like Applied Digital come in, and these AI data centers require massive energy usage, GPU hosting capabilities, cooling systems, and long-term infrastructure development. So APLD is positioning itself almost like an AI infrastructure backbone play. And by the way, if you enjoy these kinds of deep dives into AI stocks, infrastructure plays, defense stocks, and high growth opportunities, make sure you subscribe to InvestQ because we cover these opportunities daily. And another interesting development is that Applied Digital, it's completed the spinoff of its cloud business into an independent company called Chronoscale. Now, investors are debating whether this allows APLD to become more focused specifically on infrastructure and large-scale AI data center growth. Sometimes Wall Street likes when companies simply simplify operations and focus on their strongest growth segment. We've also seen multiple analyst firms like Needham, Citizens, JMP, and Roth Capital raise their price targets on Applied Digital. And one of the reasons is because of the growing AI backlog and increasing demand expectations. Now, on top of that, the company also announced major financing initiatives, including a $300 million secured bridge facility and a $2.15 billion senior secured rate offering. Now, obviously, financing it can create debate among investors, but some people worry about debt and execution risk. But bulls argue this capital helps accelerate expansion during one of the biggest AI infrastructure booms we've seen in recent years. And of course, what is something that we always talk about? Sorry, guys, got to stretch out. But what is something that we talk about on this channel all the time? What do we never like to do, and what do we never do? We never marry a stock. So I need you guys to remember that even though I'm talking about the stock, this is still a high risk growth stock. If you enjoy my content, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you ever need help making better decisions with investing, simply take a look at the first link below to get access to my community and support yourself with like-minded investors and get access to the world's leading AI models, Claude, Gemini, OpenAI, and Grok. Get all of this software for $7 in my community, and my community is free. And execution matters. AI hype also doesn't guarantee success. The company still has to properly develop these campuses, manage financing, and continue converting demand into long-term profitable growth. So this is definitely not a guaranteed winner, and as me and you both know, nothing is guaranteed when it comes to the stock market. And overall, Applied Digital is becoming one of the more interesting AI infrastructure companies. It's becoming one of the more interesting companies to watch because they're directly one of the biggest bottlenecks in AI growth and infrastructure and computing power. So I want to know in the comments below, what do you guys think about APLD and if you think it's a winner? So please let me know your opinion. And again, if you do enjoy the video, please feel free to support and hit the like and subscribe button and comment below what it is you'd want in future upcoming videos. But besides that, guys, stay safe. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one.